My name is Kenny. I'm a software developer.
My name is Josephine.
Eze Emmanuel. I'm an ICT support.
My name is Anu.
Kenny, aka Kenny Trip. Yeah, tripping on the beat.
Chidima Newedim. So I work with an IT and business management company called Macintosh Consulting.
My name is Wisdom, but you can actually call me Cybertron. That's what I use as my name.
My name is Tosin Green. On all platforms, TikTok, Instagram, many more.
So if I'll start a business with my partner or I'll encourage anyone to, whatever rocks your boat, for me, if I trust my partner enough or if we trust each other enough and I feel like it's not one-sided, why not?
I have a business of my own. Oluwadewasimi, full stuff. The reason I can't involve my fiance in my business is that you don't need to trust a man nowadays.
When it comes to relationship, I think business is different from relationship. So we can't mix business and pleasure together. That's number one. Then if you want to do business with your partner, fine. If I see that the partner is a good partner that is very, very good in business and she has business orientation, I think that she can keep the business flow. Why not?
Yeah, dude, I have a girlfriend, but but being in business with me, it would be a really big disaster. Like seriously.
Actually, nice idea because it will actually help the both of us. In case if we are lacking some things, it is actually going to help both of us in some stuff like that. So I actually say it's a good idea if she is actually my business partner. So
Yes, I can start a business if I have a boyfriend. I mean, that's if I trust him actually, and it depends on the kind of business that we are doing. And if it's someone that is intelligent and has good business strategy, of course I can do it.
If I see that this person is not a business type, no, we can't even try it. We can't do business together.
And yes, I can. If I see that, okay, that will actually have a nice business sense that can bring in more money to the table and everything. They do ask what the girls bring to the table. It's not just what we can see physically, it's also what is upstairs there.
It depends on the level of the partner. Everyone, while you are dating someone, you get to understand the kind of person he is and his own level of understanding.
Ayash, hey, they get Ayash, but Ayash they confuse me like. Okay, yes, I'm a forex trader, so that kind of forex business I have to be. It's only just me and the computer. So hey, when I look at Ayash, look at my market, I'll just see debit.
Maybe he has a side chick somewhere. Then the side chick will come tomorrow and claim the business, which you name in the name of your husband, that Mr. and Mrs. That is very, very delicate. So to me, I can't chip with such an idea.
If I was dating someone else, I would not think about it because, like I mentioned earlier, women have that mentality of her money is her money and my money is our money. So I don't like that.
The best thing I can do for her is to maybe, if he's at and all these handwork stuffs, maybe I can just establish her on that on our own. But our business moving in together, with that I know that if the business fail, okay, it's hard to be blamed and not any other person to be blamed.
By the way, partners make good business partners.
You being on the same page. Being on the same page is one of the key things you must have in a partner. So someone that wants to support you, somebody that you are on the same page with, you will have an idea of the kind of business you want to do. So for me, making him a business partner won't really be a problem for me because I already have an idea of what and who he actually is. Someone that supports me. Why can't I make him my own business partner?
Yes, I would love to be with a girl that actually do have a really great business idea, that actually shows some cares, that is actually kind and shows some love. Not just girls that doesn't bring anything to the table, but always want to feed on the guy every single time.
The person I'm with now, I can consider because one, she's very industrious and very hardworking. So I can consider she's very, very she will even boost the business more than anything. So I will not think twice about starting. Yeah, she might have that mentality of her money is her money, but she will boost the business. So yeah, I can do that. I can start a business with her.
It's risky. So to me, it's a no.
I don't think it will actually be a disaster because it's actually going to help both of us, and I don't see any reason to say no to that.